Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 30 of 30 days yoga challenge. Let's begin today's practice in laying down position. So lie down, feet together, hands by the side. Tuck your chin to the chest. And inhale, bring your right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg up. Exhale down. Then inhale, bring your both legs up. Exhale down. Try not to touch the ground. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Then bend your knees. Hold with your hands and rock your back side to side. Then get ready for shoulder stand. Push with your hands, lift the legs up, raise the legs up. Keep pushing with your hands and elbows. Support your back. And hold. Breathe. And bend your knees and raise them up. Or you can do with one leg if you are not comfortable, and one leg bend and stretch, another leg bend, stretch. If you can do both leg bends, try touch your knee to the forehead and back up. Then bend the knee, drop them to the forehead if possible, and back up. Then inhale. As you exhale, bring your right leg towards the ground. Touch the ground if possible. If not, it's okay. Bring it up. Inhale. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale up. Exhale, right leg down. Inhale up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale up. Then you need to make sure that you have done this pose before. If you have done this and you are very comfortable, then only bring your one hand up and try balance with one hand. Down, then balance onto the left side. And take out the hand, balance. This is the preparation for balancing only onto your shoulders and bringing your both hands up. But for now, only one hand at a time. To come out of the pose, bring the hands on the ground. Use your core muscles. Try not to lift the neck or shoulder when you come down. And roll yourself vertebra by vertebra. Then bring your hands under your body, elbows all the way in. Inhale, lift your head up, look at your toes. And once you're ready and comfortable, Extend your chest out and drop the top of the head on the ground. Exhale. And inhale, lift your head up, look at your toes. And exhale, release. For people who join me as a beginner, they can relax at the moment. And those who are practicing with me for the whole month and can do lotus, go ahead, follow along. So bring your right leg onto the left thigh, left foot onto the right thigh. Grab your toe with your hands. Push your elbows onto the ground. Lift your chest up, head up, and drop your top of the head on the ground. Breathe. Then let go of the lotus. Bring the legs up, feet together, and palm together. Exhale, release. Turn to your right. Push with your hands. Sit up. Getting ready for headstand. So sit onto your feet like this. Measure your hands. Bring the elbows on the ground. Interlock your fingers. Then middle part of the forehead and top head on the ground. Lift your hips up. Walk forward, forward. Use your shoulders to be down like this so that the elbows can push on the ground. Bend one leg, another leg, and both legs up. Hold and breathe. Now, if you are comfortable doing this and if you want to do variation, you can go ahead. If not, you can stay where you are. To do variation, you can open your legs with control, join them together. One more time, opening the legs, join them together. Then bringing one leg forward, one leg back to the center, changing the leg, back. To come out of the pose, you can, if you are comfortable, you can bring both legs down without bending the knee. But if you are a beginner, you can bend the knee to bring the leg down. Otherwise, you can go straight. Stay in child pose. And keep your eyes closed. Sit up. Interlock your fingers. Roll your shoulders up, back and down to release the tension if you may have. Other way around. And then let go for a few seconds. Take your time. Once you're ready, very slowly and gently open your eyes. Namaste. So thank you very much whoever joined me in this 30 days yoga challenge. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Namaste.